Alright, doing a little work on the dozer. I bought some replacement batteries, and I got these D4s, 4Ds. Yeah, these are 4D batteries, and they make a 4 DLT, which is a little smaller, but these 4Ds fit pretty good. But anyway, I need to they come with a post, and somebody's put these ring styles on them, so I've got a little I bought these hang on. Alright, so I got these replacement posts. Supposedly these are I don't know, copper, brass, whatever. And these are 2-aught. And I was going to buy the solder slugs that go down in here. However, I thought I might try this whack-a-crimp tool out. So we'll see how that works out. These are 2-aught. I'm pretty sure this is 2-aught. Yeah, because that's 3-aught, and it's way over crimped just to get it to latch down. I don't know if I'm going to have to cut these, or if I'll be able to get away with, if I'll be able to get these pulled off. I don't know, we'll see. I think I can. Okay, this one goes negative to positive, so I'm gonna have to put a negative. I remember this one's set up so you put red here, negative here, opposite over here. So we'll go negative, positive, and then this one we'll have to put a negative on. So let's start with this one. Get lucky. Just kind of force this thing off. Okay, I'm gonna give these just like a little scraping. Just try to get as much cleaned off as I can. See, this would be a lot thinner if I did this. If I just cut it, oh well, fine. Okay, so let's see how this thing works. Alright, maybe try to go a little further. Just leave it like that. See how it holds up. Alright, for the positive over here, I think I'm going to try the sledgehammer method. I can't get this one off. This one's crimped really well. I can't get it off because I don't have a vise to put it in. Okay, almost got it hammered down there, but it's got a, I don't know if you can see that, it's got a little 2.0. I think that's 2/0, so I think you're supposed to take that line down to there. Huh. Dude's really crimped now. Okay. Alright, I got the cables put together. This cross cable going from this side to the other side is just too short, so it's gonna have to be, I guess I just barely had enough on it to tie in, so I'm gonna have to probably replace that one, but these other cables are plenty of length on them. Anyway, okay, so next up I'm gonna replace this fuel line. It actually broke and leaked. Actually, the whole tank dripped out and I didn't realize it, so that was no good. I actually ended up putting a shut-off valve back here out of brass pipe. Got a street elbow there, a little 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch MIP extension, and then an 1/8 inch MIP or 1/8 inch ball valve. And so I'm gonna replace it from here forward. And I don't know, let's see how this works. I bought this 3/8 OD 10-foot. Let's see here, what is this? It says refrigeration. I'm trying to think. I guess it's that stuff. So we'll see how it works out. Kind of wishing I might have just gotten a roll of nylon like this. I think that was the original, was this nylon, but oh well, this is what we got, so that's what we're gonna do. What I like about this is it's easy to kind of straighten out, so I think it'll be okay. I've actually got a pipe straightener. I should probably use it. It's for brake lines, but I'm sure it'll work for this too. Roll this back and forth and it'll straighten her out. Nice and straight. All right, I'm trying to feed it through the back here. I'll pull the seat up and see if I can just, yeah. All right, there's the original fuel line, so I'm gonna have to make a bend down through there. That'll be interesting. I guess that's why the nylon line is so much nicer. Oh well, we'll work with it. All right, so I just disconnected this little extension pipe somebody had put on it at some point. This goes up into the, you know, whatever fuel filter, whatever it's called. And anyway, yeah, that's where it was cracked. That's where it was leaking all out, dripping out there. So I'll probably reuse this. I've got some new compression fittings, and I'll just reuse this. This just does not look right. Yeah, that's a little better. All right, got her pulled out. I had to split it here. It had a clamp somewhere. Clamp on the nylon side, and then it looks like I've got some, I don't know if that's somebody added that or not, but it's probably a pretty good idea. So it looks like this is a steel line, and then it looks like at some point somebody's maybe spliced in a copper line, and I just cut it off the top. So I think I'll just, you know, keep feeding my copper line all the way through up to the front, and I might add some, you know, if it looks like it's rubbing somewhere, I might get me some rubber hose and, you know, split it like that. That's the plan anyway. Okay, I got her roughed in on the straight path. Now I'm gonna, you know, get it all bent. Put the bends in it so it can make its, you know, so it's not kinked. Got this fuel on, looking for leaks. I don't see any just yet. It's all been around here. I'll have to probably put some, you know, supports in it. Down in here, it kind of runs back like that. This out again. Okay, she's airlocked right now. I'm gonna fill up this fuel filter reservoir, because we're getting fuel down here, but there's probably not enough fuel in the tank to gravity up through here, or I don't know, maybe it's not high enough to, should be able to gravity up to the transfer pump, but it's not.